To partake in this course, in this program with the rest of the girls was everything, because getting through your day-to-day, your struggles with food, with exercise, with stress, when you're doing it, when you're not in it by yourself, it just feels like you can conquer everything.
I look forward to coming every day because I had a support system and that I had coaches here who were making sure that we were physically active, and I had a life coach who was making sure that I understood what stressors caused me to eat unhealthy meals. So now I'm able to work out every day on my own. I walk 3 miles a day, as well as I prepare healthy meals that are better for me.
I was really nervous in the beginning. I didn't know if I was gonna make it, but through the help of Tasha, the other instructors, the other ladies, we supported each other and we made it to the very end. I think the best thing I got out of this is understanding my relationship to food and how it affects me during my emotions and my stresses. And so now I know how to properly deal with that. I have great coping mechanisms, which involve working out and other healthy lifestyles.